Hello and welcome to this physics video, Thin Lenses U09.TL1, and today we will be using ray diagrams to find the position of an image produced by a converging or diverging lens and explaining how the image is real or virtual. So we have 6 cases that we're going to look at today. So number 1, the object here is at infinity and it goes through the converging lens. Let me first off say that we are doing converging lens. These are 6 examples, the 6 cases of converging lens. So in this first example, you have the object at infinity. It passes through the converging lens, and the rays meet at one point, and that point is called the point image. That's what you see like in a magnifying glass or something. Number 2. You have an object that is outside of 2f, 2f being 2 times the focal length. So these rays, they pass through the lens, and the image is in between the focal length and 2f. It is inverted, and it is smaller. But it is real, because the reason why it is real is because it is on the other side of the converging lens. If it was on the same side as the side of the object, then it would be virtual, but in this case it is real. In case number 3, we have the object. It's on 2f, 2 times the focal length. It passes through the converging lens, and the object is at 2f on the other side. This means that it is real, it is inverted, and it's also the same magnification. They're the same size. Alright, here we have the object. It's a little outside, inside of 2f and f, very close to 2f. It passes through the converging lens, and the rays meet up outside of 2f to make the image. The image here is it is real, it is inverted, and it is actually magnified. It's a little bit bigger, but you can't really tell because of the case before was 2f and they were the same size. So now as the object keeps moving towards the focal point, the image will keep getting bigger and it will be getting closer and closer to infinity. Case 5, it's finally reached the focal point, passes through the converging lens, and as I just said, the image is at infinity. Now the last case is case number 6. We have the object here. This is a kind of a messy graph or ray diagram to show. But basically what's happening is the rays are bouncing off of this converging lens and they're bouncing back to create this image. The image is going to be for the first time virtual because it's on the same side as the object. It is magnified, it's bigger than the object, and it is inside of the focal point and the converging lens. It is also upright with the object in regards to the object. The actual rays of this, they go on to infinity, but it's the reflected rays that actually make the image here. So these are the 6 cases of converging lens for thin lenses, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.